So, I mean, methane is our number one contributor to global warming. What, it's 4 to 8 times more effective at trapping heat than CO2. Um, and it comes from cows mostly. Like cows are the number one source of methane on the planet.
So wait, are we talking cow emissions?
Cow emissions.
Yeah.
Okay.
So is it literally cow farts?
Yeah,
right?
and burps, mostly burps,
Burps
if we're being technical, because on
That
account of
is
the whole poor
insane.
stomach thing, they just
Mhm.
like move stuff back and forth between stomachs all the time, and when they bring some cut up to chew it up some more because it's not chewed up enough, they usually
That is
do
just
a lot of burping, as far as
It's
I
so funny.
understand.
Okay, I have to break in here with a totally irrelevant thing. My dad, when I was a kid, had this idea for this whole ecological house, and the heater and the all of the electricity was going to be run off of cow emissions.
Yeah.
Like cow farts.
Methane capture.
Yeah, that's
Methane
what,
capture.
and he had much more to this elaborate plan of what was going to happen, but I didn't know this was a real thing.
That's a cool thing that's actually becoming sort of widely spread. It's a super cheap option for capturing burnable natural gas. Just like get a big balloon, like a huge balloon, like size of a car, and you take all your cow poop or your chicken poop or whatever you got, and you stick it in this balloon, and it'll emit methane as the bacteria sort of eats through it that came out of with all the rest of the fecal matter.
I thought,
and that, kids, is how science works.
It's
okay.
crazy.
We do
People are heating their
experiments.
houses and cooking with it and stuff. It's amazing.
Those
It's
are
so
those are
rad.
the experiments that I would have. Man, my science class teacher really got it wrong in 4th, 5th grade. Man,
It's a
if they
bummer.
want to capture the attention, let's go for the cow.
It could be so fun, like explosions and fire. Let's go.
Let's go,
Same
man.
thing.
Throw some cow feces in a car. You know what I mean? Let's get a long fuse and just,
Dude,
Wile E.
easy.
Coyote style.
You just capture it for like a week, dude, and just take it out to the playground and just blow it
No,
up.
but like honestly, like it sounds funny. It sounds ridiculous. It sounds like a conspiracy theory, honestly. Like, oh, cow farts are actually, the problem. When really, I mean, it's scientifically proven that is the case. It's just we can't see it as much as we can see like giant plumes of smoke going up in the air from factory farming. Like that one makes more sense, but it's crazy that they both, play a role.
It's bizarre. Like it's just the infrastructure. People. Ugh.
So basically, we have to get off of our addiction as a species to cows somehow, in order to really. Otherwise, I don't know if there's really a solution to this problem. If we continue, this need for a hamburger every,
what
10 milliseconds
of the problem is cow farts?
It's massive. I think it's like 40%.
Really?
40 to 60.
A little
It's
more
incredibly
than
huge.
It's incredible.
Wow.
Right.
Yeah.
And I mean, that goes with this big issue of what now 97% of animals on the planet are non-wild.
Yeah.
That's freaking crazy. Or at least terrestrial animals.